Hey there, social media aficionados. Are you tired of scrolling past those awesome Facebook videos only to realize you can't download them? Well, get ready to dive into the depths of the digital universe with me as we unlock the secrets of the Black Hole app. Step 1. Find that incredible video on Facebook that you just can't live without. Maybe it's a heartwarming moment, a hilarious meme, or a mind-blowing tutorial. Whatever it is, make sure it's something you want to keep forever. Step 2. Head over to your app store and download the Black Hole app. Trust me, this is going to be your new best friend when it comes to saving those precious Facebook videos. Step 3. Open up the Black Hole app and prepare to be amazed. This powerful tool is your gateway to downloading Facebook videos with just a few taps. Step 4. Paste the link to your desired Facebook video into the Black Hole app and watch the magic happen. In no time at all, you'll have that video saved directly to your device.